You choked on honey and garlic?
Yeah. She's gonna wonder how I died. I'm serious. I was choking on honey and garlic. It went down. Oh my gosh, I'm still alive. Oh. Welcome to Shalom Meadows. Hey, if you watched last week's video, you seen where we put that window in. You know, we resized and everything and put it in. Huh? But right when we was putting the caulk on, guess what? It started raining. And boy, we came into some coinky dinkies. Because all them things, they're leaking on the inside. So we got to figure out how to fix them. So hey, remember this is a flip channel. So if you like flipping, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and clicking that notification bell. Because hey, we got to keep flipping this house until we make it a home. Remember y'all, we're just regular people trying to flip our own house. So this is our first windows. Hey, you can make mistakes. So don't worry, if you make a mistake, you can always fix it.
Unless it's a big mistake. You choked on honey and garlic?
Yeah. I had it when I was swallowing it. That was the weirdest choke. I mean, I couldn't breathe. I mean, literally but I was playing it off. So you wouldn't know. That's why I got up real quick and got some water. She's gonna wonder how I died. I'm serious. I was choking on honey and garlic. Bro, she made me laugh.
All the things.
Because she was like, let me have some honey or whatever. So I gave her some honey and she moved and it got on her little cheek. And I was like,
restricted your airways.
Yeah, probably. You couldn't get it out. I mean, that's like, it's honey and garlic. You can't cough that out. It went down. Oh my gosh, I'm still alive. Oh, I never felt a choke. Like it was burning and everything. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm about to die.
Stop, please.
Oh my gosh, my daughter killed me. Did she get a boyfriend? No, she made me choke to death on honey and garlic. I would have died sweet and in humor. I wasn't gonna say anything at all. Cause I didn't want you to be like, you know, well, you been eating my honey. I'm like, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die before.
And there was the guilt right there.
There it was.
Has it got bubbles? There is bubbles up there.
A bubble? A little tiny bubble? What, is it gonna make a lake with a big old bubble on there, huh? No, a little bubble ain't gonna make a lake.
It is, because it did.
Horsey!
You see, you're already making bubbles, babe.
I'm not making bubbles.
You're supposed to make it tight.
It is tight.
I see a bubble.
That don't matter. It's tight.
It does matter. Baby, I see a bubble.
That's fine. It's closed.
It's not.
It's this.
I see the bubbles.
It's closed.
But that is how it's pulling
No,
up.
that's closed.
Not talking about those bubbles.
Can't do that.
Not talking about those bubbles.
What are you talking about?
That bubble.
What bubble?
You know your hand was just on it, and the one on the other side.
Oh
The one on the other side too.
my God! Pardon me. What?
I see a bubble right there. No, no, don't you get down. It's right there.
What?
Looking at her.
That?
Up. Right there.
That's down.
No, you just put it down. I just saw it go
I
down.
feel it. I can't pick and feel it there, Vern. And
Look at you. Why are you doing that? Baby.
Baby, come get it. I told you. My Lord.
I told you, why are you stepping on the porch? Get policy.
Hold it, hold it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Instant sweat. I was just gonna fall and be dead. Ooh. It's about out already. I know people who've met one
Projects.
blue holes. They're working over there too.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, y'all, the same thing's happening with the back windows, and you remember a little bit happening with the back windows. If y'all drop down in the comments and let us know what we might be doing wrong, because like I was saying, you know, the windows is the first windows we've ever done. If there's some of you out there that's done windows that might have something to tell us or something we might be doing wrong, just drop down in the comments and let us know. It'll help us out very much. David caught up here.
I know.
So I'm gonna put tape there. I might know the problem.
What?
Why is scary?
So we found out what the problem was here.
Maybe.
Probably. It wasn't covered up all the way up top. So
Made a mistake. I hope I'm not making another one. Oh. And now to our furniture flip. Hey, that's what we have for you guys today. Next week, Lord willing, we're going to be putting the other window in the living room. You know, take that window out, resize, put that window in, and hopefully our mistakes are done. You know, we can do that window right. So come back and join us again. Shalom, y'all.